Hi guys. So for this week's forum, we're going back to the doshas, we're going back to Agni. So Agni is primarily in Ayurveda, as we have seen. Agni is the digestive fire. Agni is the leading force of our health, pretty much. So whatever influences Agni, or however Agni is being influenced, then it has an impact on the rest of our health. In terms of how the three doshas refer or are connected to our Agni, well, first of all, we should identify the location of the doshas within the body. So kapha is referred to the head, let's say. So kapha in terms of Agni refers to what do we do with the food. So it refers to this part. So we digest the food goes down, it becomes, it gets metabolized by the pitta dosha, because pitta is about metabolizing, transforming, and then it moves out or it moves around our body. Or either it nourishes or it just leaves the body with thanks to the qualities of vata, because vata refers to movement. In terms of the three sub-doshas that we are analyzing this week, all three of them are connected to the organs around the stomach area. So in reality, we could say, well, they're the same thing. Well, basically, they are the same thing, but they have a different way of participating in the activities of the digestive fire. So when it comes to, as I said, we ingest the foods, samanavata distributes the nutrients. So I actually would start from Kledaka kapha. Kledaka kapha lubricates. Kledaka kapha makes sure that there is liquid around the digestive fire. Make sure that everything flows. Then it goes into being transformed. It goes into being digested by Pachaka Pitta, which is like the digestion, ground zero of digestion. And then samanavata makes the distribution. So says, okay, we keep these nutrients in the body and we are going to distribute them in other places of the body, so they kind of take that movement quality with them, or we just send them out. And then because vata is the colon, they kind of find a way out of the system. So I think this is the best way that I could describe the connection between vata, pitta, kapha and the three subdoshas in terms of Agni. And I believe they are essential. So they are fundamentals. If Agni is fundamental in our health. Therefore, understanding these three particular subdoshas gives us an idea of what's going on in the Agni of this particular individual, because the qualities that are being felt under these subdoshas will give us an indication of the condition of the digestive fire, the condition of Agni for our clients or ourselves. So this is it. So I hope I answered all of these questions correctly, and I'll see you on Sunday with our mini case study, which I'm really thoroughly enjoying. I'm feeling better I'm recovering from my lymphatic stagnation caused by the vaccine or whatever, allergic reactions and everything. And it'll be interesting to see this from the perspective of Ayurveda as well. It was very, very, it wasn't interesting. It wasn't fun at all because I had a lot of problems and I had to go to ER twice. But all in all, it was related to the lymph nodes being kind of sluggish and everything else affecting the body. So I think I'm a good case study for you guys, a COVID case study. Lots of love and see you on Sunday. Bye.